Welcome to my channel. How to set up TP-Link RE600X Wi-Fi 6 extender, easy step-by-step guide. First, unbox your TP-Link RE600X Wi-Fi 6 extender and check that you have the extender, quick installation guide, and power adapter, if included. Choose a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router and plug in the extender. Wait until the LED indicators start blinking. On your smartphone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the TP-Link default Wi-Fi network shown on the label of your extender. Open a browser and type http://tplinkrepeater.net, or you can download the TP-Link Tether App from Google Play or the App Store. Log in to the extender setup page. If it's your first time, you'll need to create a new admin password for security. The extender will now search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your main router's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Next, select your main router's 5 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter its password as well. Decide if you want your extended network to have the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, as your router, or create a new one, for example, home_Wi-Fi_ext. Confirm the settings, and the extender will apply the configuration and reboot automatically. Once the LED turns solid green or blue, it means the connection to your router is strong and successful. Now unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the weak signal area to maximize coverage. Reconnect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to the new extended Wi-Fi and enjoy faster and wider Wi-Fi 6 coverage. Thanks for watching.